Hello grade 8. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve system of linear equation by graphing. But let us have first an introduction. Pag sinabi nating solving system of linear equation, meron tayong three methods na pwedeng gamitin. We have number 1, yung i-discuss natin ngayon, or by graphing. And then number 2 is by elimination. And the third one is by substitution. So take note na nakafocus lang tayo ngayon in the method which is by graphing. And in this method, this is best method na gamitin kapag ang given natin ay nakasulat in slope-intercept form o yung tinatawag natin na y is equal to mx plus b. And yung pag-graph naman natin ay napag-aralan na natin sa ating mga previous video. So all you have to do is to graph, and then after that, makukuha natin yung kanyang solution which is an ordered pair. So pinag-aralan naman natin sa introduction natin ng system of linear equation na meron tayong system na tinatawag na consistent independent. Ito yung system na merong iisang solution or the graph is intersecting. Pinag-aralan din natin yung system na kung saan siya ay tinatawag na consistent dependent or the graph is coinciding. And the last one is the inconsistent o yung merong graph na parallel, or in short, we have no solution for that system. So titingnan natin ano-ano yung ma-encounter natin sa mga yon kapag nag-solve na tayo ng linear equation using this method. Now let us have example number 1. Given the system y is equal to 3x minus 4 and y is equal to negative 1 half x plus 3, hanapin natin ano ba yung solution ng system na to or yung point na makakasatisfy sa dalawang equation na to. Okay? So let us have step 1. So step 1, since by graphing, diretso na tayo. Graph the first equation, and then after that, graph the second equation. If we have y is equal to 3x minus 4, our m is 3, and our b is negative 4. And pag ginrap natin, uunahin natin yung kanyang y-intercept. So we have negative 4, ibig sabihin, this is located on the 4 units downward mula sa ating origin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4. And then, since ang ating slope ay positive 3 or whole number, lalagyan natin siya ng denominator na 1 or yung ating run. So positive 3, ibig sabihin 3 units upward from this point, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 unit to the right since positive ang 1. So the second point is located here. Now, since meron na tayong 2 points, we can now connect the 2 points using a line. That is the graph of the first equation. Y is equal to 3x minus 4. Next, graph naman natin yung equation number 2. And our m is negative 1 half, while our b is positive 3. I-plot natin muna yung kanyang y-intercept, which is positive 3. So siya ay located 3 units from our, or 3 units upward from our origin. So ito yung ating positive 3. Then, ang ating slope ay negative. Ibig sabihin, negative 1, then positive 2. Negative 1 is 1 unit downward from this point. So 1. Then 2 units is positive, so 2 units to the right. So we have 1, 2. So the second point is located here. Then, after that, connect na natin yung 2 points using a line. This is the graph of our second equation. Now, after that, notice that our graph is intersecting. Ibig sabihin, our system is consistent independent, or it has one solution. And the solution is the point of intersection nung dalawang line natin na ginraph. So, kung ilolocate natin, ito yon. The ordered pair is positive 2, positive 2. So, this is now our solution. Now, let us check if this is really the solution for our system of linear equation through the process of checking. So, take note, paano ba tayo mag-check? Ang gagawin nyo lang, you will substitute the value or yung solution natin sa ating equation 1 by 1. So, for equation 1, which is y is equal to 3x minus 4, i-check natin kung siya ba ay talagang solution ng equation na to. So, substitute the value of x, which is 2, and then the value of y, which is 2. So, we have 2, which is the value of y, is equal to 3 times yung x, papalitan na natin yung value na nakuha natin, which is positive 2, minus 4. Then, simplify. 2 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. Then 6 minus 4. So we have, pwede pa natin isimplify yung side na to. So 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. So kapag nag-equal, ibig sabihin na satisfy niya yung ating equation or tama yung ating solution for equation 1. Dapat ma-check din natin kung siya ba ay masasatisfy din ba yung ating second equation, which is y is equal to negative 1/2. So we have for equation 2, we have y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is positive 2. So 2 is equal to negative 1/2 x, or 1/2 times yung ating x ay 2 plus 3. Then 2 is equal to negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So in short, cancelin na lang natin to, pwede yun. So natira negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3. So 2 is equal to negative 1 plus 3. Magkaiba ng sign, so ima-minus natin. Then copy the sign of the higher number, which is 3. So we have positive 2. So meaning, yung ating solution is correct since nasatisfy niya yung both of the equation natin na given. Now let us have example number 2. So in example number 2, we have the system y is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 5 over 2x plus 4. So diretso na tayo. So graph first our first equation. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating equation ay walang value ng x. Ibig sabihin, it is lying exactly in y-axis since ang given lang natin dito ay negative 1. So pag pinlat natin siya sa Cartesian coordinate plane, we have this point. So lying exactly in y-axis, ibig sabihin, so ito ay horizontal line. Ito ngayon yung graph ng ating first equation, or y is equal to negative 1. Now, for our number 2, we have y is equal to negative 5 over 2x. Ibig sabihin, ang ating m ay negative 5 over 2. Then, ang ating b ay positive 4. Plot muna natin yung kanyang y-intercept, which is positive 4. So, that is exactly located in our y-axis. So, kung bibilang tayo ng 4 units upward, ito yung kanyang first point. Next, then we have negative 5 over 2. So, rise over run, ibig sabihin, downward, since negative yung 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yung eksaktong point, and then 2 units to the right, 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, ulitin natin, ang ating point ay, or y-intercept is 4. So, ito yung point na yon. Then, 5 units downward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, 2 units to the right, 1, 2. So, ito yung second point. Then, connect na natin siya using a line. So, yan yung itsura ng ating second equation. Again, yung ating second given is an intersecting line. Ibig sabihin, the system has one solution. So, pangalanan na natin yung solution na yon, o yung solution natin sa ating given number 2. So, we have positive 2, negative 1. Ito na ngayon yung ating sagot, or yung tinatawag na solution. If this is the solution, ang value ng x na nakuha natin ay positive 2 at ang value naman ng y ay negative 1. So, for us to check kung tama itong nakuha nating solution, let us do the checking. So, for equation 1, we have y is equal to negative 1. We will substitute only the value of y, which is negative 1. So, we have negative 1 equals negative 1. Ayan, kitang-kita na siya ay equal kaagad. So, this is correct for our equation 1. What about for equation 2? Siyempre, dapat masatisfy niya rin yung equation 2 para masabi natin na tama ang solution. So, y is equal to negative 5 over 2x plus 4. The value of y is negative 1. So, palitan na natin. Then, and the value of x is positive 2 plus 4. Now, let us simplify. Negative 1 is equal to negative 5 over 2 times 2. Pwede na lang natin siyang i-cancel. Then, ang matitira ay negative 5 plus 4. So, negative 1 is equal to negative 5 plus 4. So, magkaiba ng sign, kaya ima-minus natin. Then, copy the sign of the higher number, which is negative 5. So, ibig sabihin, 5 minus 4 is 1. So, negative 1. So, for our second equation, nasatisfy din siya ng ating solution. Ibig sabihin, our answer is correct. So, ito yung answer natin dyan sa given number 2.